Hello, everybody. Samsung has really stepped up their game with the improvements they've made to the phone's hardware and software. They've even added AI to this device, which is a big deal. Now, here's some big news. There's been a surprise reveal about Samsung's Galaxy S24 Ultra. Photos of the real phone, not just computer-made guesses, have popped up online. Someone who knows their stuff on X, formerly Twitter, shared these pictures. These pictures show a phone with a flat back and a completely flat screen. That's a big deal, especially for people who use the S Pen with their phones. It seems like Samsung finally made the screen flat, which should make using the S Pen a lot better. Now, let's talk about what makes the S24 a potential game changer. The biggest upgrade is in the display and bezels department. Samsung is getting ready to compete with the iPhone 15 Pro in the battle of the bezels. Recent reveals by Ice Universe show that Samsung has done a great job with uniform bezels, especially on the S24 Plus panel. But wait, there's a groundbreaking feature coming to the S24 series. Samsung's CDO hinted at something truly revolutionary: satellite connectivity for emergency services. This could change how we stay connected during emergencies, even in remote areas where regular cell networks might not reach. This new feature sets Samsung apart in the Android world. As a leading Android maker, their use of satellite connectivity might just encourage others to do the same. And that's not all. Samsung's going deep into software and AI with the S24 series. Rumor has it that it will study your usage patterns to proactively handle tasks, offer travel information, and even write emails the way you want them. This might just be Samsung's first AI-driven phone, powered by their own AI model known as Gus. The possibilities here are mind-boggling. The Galaxy S24 will reportedly be announced on January 17, 2024 in San Jose, California, USA. This is a change from the usual New York location for Samsung's Galaxy Unpacked launch event. Customers can pre-order the Galaxy S24, Galaxy S24 Plus, and Galaxy S24 Ultra on January 18. The pre-order devices will start reaching customers from January 26 to January 30. While the Galaxy S24 series pricing hasn't been revealed yet, it is expected that Samsung will keep prices similar to the Galaxy S23 series. This means the Galaxy S24 could start at $900, while the Galaxy S24 Plus and the Galaxy S24 Ultra could be priced at $1,000 and $1,200, respectively. So, what do you think about these exciting changes? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe for more updates.